Okay, everybody, Cold Start Adventure number 2. We're at the store. Getting ready to roll back to the house. Just gas the truck up. They're set. Ready to roll. The tax may be a little out of date. Only like, well, not even a month yet, so I'll get them before the end of the month, so I shouldn't accrue that many late charges. But it's got insurance on it, so we're good to go there. So if I get pulled over, I won't be unable to provide insurance documentation. You know, it was kind of clearing up a little bit today, but looks like the rain's going to be coming back in. So this is the town of Porterville. It's a nice little place. I mean, that Chevy in front of us is smoking pretty bad. Looks like it needs a ring job. Oh, it smells like it too. Burning oil like crazy. And this thing doesn't use a drop of oil. Imagine that. A little gloomy out today, but not too bad. It's sufficeable. I kind of like the rain anyway because it cleanses everything and keeps everything clean. Besides, we needed it. We went through a time where we didn't really have a lot of rain, and this is like overkill. Oh, is that a CHP in front of me? Oh, that's Porterville Police. Had he gotten behind me, he would have seen my tags, and woo! Yeah, pull it over. But guess what? He didn't. I was behind him, so unless he has extrasensory perception or something like that, he's not going to be able to see my tags, and I'm just babbling here. Anyways, this cold start continuance. We started off at the house, putting gas in the truck, cranked her a few times, she fired up, and now we're on the road heading back to the house. Had to go to the store, put a little more than a gallon and a half in here because, you know, I mean, it's got a small block 350 in it, but, you know, it's still, you know, a naturally aspirated carbureted V8, so it's not gonna get quite the mileage that modern V8s do. But the cool thing about this one, I don't have to freaking smog it. So that's cool, man. As soon as we get home, I'll pop the hood and show you the engine running. I think I might have had that in a few other previous videos, but I want y'all to see that the engine's still running really good. Oh, made a little wide turn there. No power steering, you can just power my arm. Alright. Here we are back at the house, and this truck is still stuck in the mud over there. Tried to pull him out, but we broke his straps. He had these little chintzy straps, so I wasn't able to pull him out without his straps breaking. Almost got him out, but when it started moving, pop went the straps. I'll pull in here. Oh, don't hit the tire post. And here we are back at the house. Right over there is my 2000 Mercury Mountaineer. It's got the 5-liter 302 in it, so runs good. Okay. pop the hood real fast, leave the truck running. Show you the underside. There we have it. That good old 350 is still purring like a sleeping kitten, getting its belly rubbed. Anyway, Tibbers, that's all for now. I'll be doing more cold starts later, like on that 2003 Ford Focus right there. It's got 44,000 miles on it, well, 44,500, but I'll be putting that thing up for sale here before long, but I'll be doing a cold start on it. It hasn't been started in about 6 months, so I'll be doing that. So, and that Neon over there just put a new radiator in, and it's overheating for some reason. Maybe you guys could help me out on that. We'll see what's going on. If you have any suggestions, just let me know. Like I said, just put the new radiator in and start overheating. Well, it did okay at first, and I added coolant to the coolant bottle and the radiator, and it just started getting hot. Maybe I'll drain the water out and try again, or the coolant anyway. It kind of gets expensive to dump the coolant and change it again. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.